Hey guys, so oftentimes I get asked where I get my glasses and how much I paid for them. And it's no secret that I got these online. I bought my glasses online. And for those of you who are in Trinidad, on average, you'd pay about 400 to 500 US equivalent for a pair of glasses in total, right? It could be more according to what your prescription is. But when I tell people my glasses cost me no more, this pair, no more than about 30 US dollars, everybody looks at me like, whoa. And it's like, what? That's prescription? Yes, it's prescription. So here are my quick steps and tips to purchasing your glasses online. And if you want, so the first step to buying glasses online is to go to your local optometrist and get a prescription. Get your, even if you have one already and you already got your eyes tested, chances are you don't have your own, you have your prescription in hand. They have it there where you got your glasses. Go get your latest prescription for your eyes and tell them that you want to purchase it, because most times they keep it with the intention for you to come buy your glasses at them. You want to get your prescription from them so that you could shop anywhere, even if that's locally, and you see a style at a different place that you like, you can just take that same prescription and go elsewhere and buy it. They will charge you a separate fee for it, but that's fine. That fee is so minimal, right? And worth it when it comes to how much money you're going to be saving from buying it online. The second step is to go online and choose a glass style that you like. So my tip would be, if you use Snapchat, this was Snapchat filter inspired, and you know, I always love how the filter looked. People tell me so much how much these glasses look good on me. So I was just like, okay, that's it. I'm going with that style because I can see what it looks like on my face. The upload on the website where you can upload a picture of yourself and try on glasses doesn't really help you see how the glasses will look on your face. So you might think that nothing looks good. Don't use the uploader. I would advise you to use, you know, any type of AR, you know, augmented reality, which is like Snapchat filters or TikTok filters, any type of app that has filters with glasses. Try them on and see what style suits your face. The other thing is to actually go in store to a couple of places that sell prescription glasses and try on different styles and take pictures. They'll let you take pictures. Take pictures of your favorite ones. Then you go on the site and you find those shapes of glasses and choose. Your prescription is gonna help you figure out which one is gonna be the right size, and they're making these glasses to suit your face. When you buy your glasses in store, you just have to use the size that is in store, but this one is made to suit your face, right? And make sure that you have the PD distance on the prescription. Some places will give you hell to give you the PD distance. I will link to a video where you can measure your PD distance yourself. There is a tutorial from the same site that shows you how to measure your own PD distance, so don't worry about it. The fourth step is basically go on the site and shop and check out like you would if you're shopping on Walmart or Amazon site. It's very simple. You just select the glasses that you want and you follow the steps straight out to checkout. And if you use my referral code, you'll get an additional 50% discount, and they always have sales on the website. So I have this style, which is for everyday use, and then I have my blue light blocking glasses, which I use when I'm on devices a lot, if I'm reading at night, and overall when I'm doing any type of extensive client work. If I know I'm going to be on the computer for a long period of time, I use that to help protect my eyes from that screen time, right? So those are the steps to ordering your own glasses online. It's very simple, it's very straightforward, and it's super affordable. Like, there's nothing to lose. If you're unhappy with it, you wouldn't have spent a lot of money just to conduct this experiment. You're not going to spend more than $50 according to your prescription. You really have nothing to lose, and that's really how I saw it. I gave it a try. Let's see how it goes. And I'm really happy with it, and I will be continuing to order glasses from the website. And there's a other site that I have my eyes on. I've been wanting to try and test out. When I do, I'll have a follow-up video and review, but for right now, this is my go-to site. I have purchased 2 pairs, and they are always showing me new pairs in my social media feed, which is very tempting to buy a pair almost every month because it's so affordable. And I really love the fact that I could have different frames according to my outfit or style or vibe that I'm feeling at that particular time. It's like having sunglasses, right? You can change it up but still have glasses that suits your prescription for your everyday today. So I love having options. When I bought my first pair, I was confined to only one style for the entire 2 years, and different situations and different, you want to change it up maybe to match your outfit. You know how we are as women. So that are the steps. So I hope, click the link and go try it out, and come back to this video, leave a comment below and let me know what your experience was like. So bye.